2025's outdoor project. Lurch has pulled down the shed that was next to my back door. The chickens went, so we've got all this space, and we will be building something here. We were thinking of making it ourselves, but it's not going to cost that much more to have it ready built, and we just put it together like you would do a shed. And so it'll be going here. It'll give me more undercover space than I had before, but it's still dinky. But I've got ideas, because we needed to sort this fence out. As you can see, loads of cracks in it, and we've had to shore it up with a compost bag that I'll be using soon, and it needs replacing. So we thought, as we're doing this, we'll sort out the thing that's going here. And it's less windy today. It was blowing a gale yesterday, and we're supposed to have a lot of wind tomorrow. So thank you.